Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix screen not rotate on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue while his screen is not rotated on iPhone. So you have, first of all, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and mobile is restored, and then your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working on your iPhone, their second solution, you have reset all setting. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, and then you have enter a passcode, and then 10-20 seconds wait, and then mobile is reset all setting. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting. The second solution is not working there. Third solution, you have turn off the control center. You have portrait mode. So then you have portrait orientation locked on, then you have lock off, and then from you have a third solution is not working. Their fourth solution, you have open the setting again, and then you have click on display and scroll up, then you have click on view, and then you have display zoom, then you have select from standard, and then last solution, you have update iOS latest version. So you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you have must be update your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.